Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by updating Chrome OS and freeing space. This matters for performance. Open Settings, go to About Chrome OS and install updates. Once done, reboot. Next, clear the Downloads folder and uninstall apps you do not use to free at least 5–10% of storage. If you know what you are doing, enable developer options for further tweaks, but make sure to back up your files first. This prevents data loss and keeps you safe while proceeding to deeper optimizations. Now you tackle settings that give immediate gains. Set power and display to prioritize performance when plugged in so your CPU and GPU run faster. Next, open Task Manager and stop background apps that consume CPU and RAM. This frees resources for games. Make sure to close unnecessary tabs and extensions. Each tab uses memory. If a game requires it, use the Linux container or Play Store apps selectively. They often run better but reserve RAM and CPU, so balance them carefully as you test performance. Finish with hardware and recovery steps to stabilize gaming. Enable GPU acceleration in browser and test Chrome. / flags only one change at a time. This helps if you need to revert. For demanding games, use an external SSD or a cloud gaming service to offload storage and processing. If you still experience stutter, monitor temperatures, overheating throttles performance, and clean vents. As a last resort, perform a power wash after backing up data. This resets software issues and often restores smooth gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.